We've continually improved LingQ ever since we launched, but sometimes change can't be done incrementally. Sometimes you have to clear the slate and start again to achieve your vision. And that is what we've done with LingQ 2.0. We've revamped major components of the site to give it a clean, fresh look and to give the user a brand new experience. Learn is where you find lessons and study them. Friends is where you interact with members and tutors. Teach is where you manage your tutoring activities. And Tasks is where you find shortcuts to the main activities on the site. These 4 simple controls are easy for newcomers to learn and super efficient for power users. And that's just the start. The new Learn page is like a control center for LingQ. The timeline is a chronological list of your learning activities and site notifications. Want to find that lesson you were just studying? There it is. Time to review that writing correction or answer that conversation request? It's all right there in your timeline. On the other side of the page, you'll find recommendations. These are the courses or lessons that other members are sharing. As a lesson is shared, it moves to the top of the list. This gives you a constantly refreshing list of lessons at your level that our members are recommending. As someone who has learned to speak 12 languages, including 5 in the last 10 years, I've always felt that what mattered the most to me was finding interesting material to learn from that was at my level. In LingQ 2.0, when you browse for content, new lessons, open lessons, imported lessons, they're all in one place. It's important to note that courses replaces the old collections, and playlists replaces the old courses. We feel this terminology more accurately reflects what these things do. You can view new lessons in the library, lessons you have already taken in My Lessons, or lessons you have previously imported. Select between lessons, courses, or playlists depending on what you are looking for. You can even filter your results further. When you find a lesson you like, open it. If you really like it, you may want to add it to a playlist or share it with others using the drop-down menu. Playlists are new to LingQ. What are playlists? Playlists are a customized way for you to collect lessons together to suit a particular interest you have for future study. A lesson can belong to more than one playlist. You can even share these playlists with other members to help them. Maybe you're a tutor and want to direct members learning your language to some relevant content that you have created or shared. We think that playlists will help everyone keep track of good content and share it with others.
To me, it's about performance. The site has to work as efficiently and smoothly as possible to allow people to focus on what's important, which is learning the language. Ideally, the technology, the system, fades into the background. What we have done to the lesson page, the core page of our site, is revolutionary. We fell in love with this new functionality while testing, and we've been waiting impatiently for it to launch so we could use it with our real account data. The new interface is much cleaner, while at the same time providing quicker access to all functionality. Everything is literally at your fingertips. The text is now fixed at an optimal width, which makes it easier to read. As before, new words are highlighted in blue and links the words you are learning in yellow. On the right, in the dashboard pane, you'll find a new HTML audio player which works well on all devices and platforms, including iOS devices. You will also find all information and resources related to the lesson. See the number of new words and links in the lesson. Click to see the new words or link terms. Drill down on a term to see more information. In the text, you'll notice that the word you're looking up is bordered in red. The location of this word is now stored, so you can easily see where you are in the lesson and find your way back if you have to navigate away for some reason. Like a bookmark, but better. But what really gets us excited is the way you can now quickly flip through these blue new words just using your keyboard. The left-right arrow keys move you from one new word to the next seamlessly, and the lesson text scrolls to keep up. Use the up-down arrow keys to choose the best hint or option for the word and enter to select it. There are also options for ignore and known, or you can simply type X for ignore and K for known. We wanted linking to be instant without a lot of mousing. The result is powerful for vocabulary acquisition. Reviewing links in the text is now just as easy as dealing with your blue words. Just press Shift and the right or left arrow key to switch from blue to yellow words. Now the left and right arrow keys flip through your links. Manage your tags, view examples, see all user hints, ask a tutor for help, review your notes while you flip and while the text scrolls with you. All changes are automatically saved. Lesson resources like videos, translations, scripts, and more are also displayed in the dashboard. Red indicators show which resources are available. Just click to access a specific resource from the drop-down list. More streamlined, more functional and fast, we think you're going to love it. And if you're on a device with a smaller resolution, you can even minimize the dashboard and use the full screen for text. Highlighted words function as they did in the original LingQ app.
More than 2 billion people have access to the internet. To us, that means amazing opportunities to connect with learners and speakers from all over the globe, and all this from your very own home. As we began this project of redoing LingQ from the ground up, a core part of our vision was enhancing the way that members interact at LingQ. We knew from the start that we had to make member interaction more meaningful and more convenient in order to create a truly vibrant learning community. The Friends section features a brand new activity wall front and center. Now users can share updates, links to other sites, videos, images, and more. And with privacy settings for each post, you can control what to share and, more importantly, what to keep private. You can subscribe to a specific user's updates by adding them as a friend, giving you more control over what you see in your feed. Filter by lessons or conversations to see what your friends are up to in your target language. Of course, part of the fun is in the interaction, and that's why we've also added a comment box below each and every post that appears, allowing you to comment on what other people have shared. If you like a post, you can click the plus rose button to give it a rose. If you really like it, you can even click the share button and share it on your own feed. Each time you click plus rose on someone's post, a rose will be added to the rose total. The sharing of lessons is unique. When you share a lesson, you're also giving it a rose. This means that it will be pushed to the top of the recommendations list on the Learn page.
LingQ 2.0 is not just an update. It's a genuine reinvention of the LingQ concept and a significant step forward for language learners everywhere. LingQ is now more portable, more fun, and more effective. The rest is up to you.